Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Naruto Vibration Stars figure. That's the last one that I need in that collection of Sasuke and Kakashi. So just a little look at the box. This one I bought from a store here called Critical Hit for Christmas. But I didn't win this one, but I won the Sage one and the Gaara one on Toreba. So I gotta get them sent out and then I'll make its own separate videos for that one. So the same deal as the other two. It comes in a little box thing like that, and packaged up like that. So this comes with 4 pieces, just the top torso and then the bottom legs and then the stand. So let's start off with the torso. And these are pretty good figures as well. They've always got really good detail on it and really good paintwork. So Naruto has the Rasengan and it looks like that. The colouring of the skin is pretty good too, because I know the Grandista ones are really yellow for some reason. But the Rasengan is like a clear plastic that's bendy. The hair is really good paint job. And it has that peg system thing that you plug it in. The new Sage one is exactly the same, except they just changed the eyes. So it's like that Malibu Stacy episode where they just gave her a new hat. And have a look at the legs. So they're the legs, and then the stand goes in there. Got the little pack here and there. That's pretty good paint job. So we'll put him in. Hopefully this one fits. I had a bit of trouble with the Sasuke one. But this one fits perfectly. Look at that. So a little look at the figure completely. It's a pretty good figure. It's probably the better one out of the 3 so far. But we'll see with the Sage mode one. So, good stand. I'm really glad they don't have those U stands like they did in the Grandista ones, because they suck and they don't hold up the figure. So it comes in a base and that just fits on the base there, like that. And then that fits in, supposed to fit in, like so, to the back. So you can have it like that. So pretty good figure. The paint jobs are always impressive and the quality is always impressive, especially for something you win out of a claw machine, and from the brand Ban Presto. They always do good quality figures at a reasonable price if you buy them. So like I said, I bought this one from Critical Hit here in Australia. Cats are running around. And you know, it's about $30 here in Australia, so it's probably cheaper in the US because everything else is. But yeah, I'm always impressed. The eyes are always good, the material's always good, and they've always got good poses and stuff. So definitely worth it if it's too hard to buy, or too expensive to buy the gem figures. These ones are really good to purchase if you want some Naruto figures. So I think there's an Itachi one coming out as well, so I definitely have to try and get that one because there's never a lot of Itachi figures. But I think it's supposed to come out in like mid 2020 or something like that, probably early 2020 I reckon, because it's already on websites and stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to get the Itachi one and to see what the Sage one and the Gaara one is like as well. So yeah, anyway, I hope you liked that little unboxing. You can check me out on Instagram and Facebook. I also have a Patreon if you want to support, with lots of perks about my art dolls. So everything will be in the description box down below. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.